Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm talking about setting your language dictionary in Scrivener 3 for Windows. Do you write in something other than US English, like me? Well, you can set your dictionary to many other options. Simply go to the File menu, choose Options, and then select the ABC Corrections tab across the top. Then click on Spelling. Under Dictionary, you'll see the current dictionary selected. If you want something else, you'll have to download it. So, click on Download, select your preferred language, and click on Download again at the bottom of the pop-up. Once it's finished, click on Select, choose your default language, and click OK. Finally, click Apply in the bottom right-hand corner, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.